Hello, good morning everyone. It's Wendy here from Wendy's Crafting. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and seeing it's Monday. Today is a Sketch-It Monday. Now I haven't been able to print anything out because my printer does not want to talk to me at the moment. So I've had to, I can't show you what we're going to do, but I can show you in what I'm doing, if you know what I mean. So you've got that, then we've got that in the middle. This is approximate, okay? And then I've got this there, and then that sort of with the branches as well. Now, with this, I thought I had just a scalloped thingamajig die, but I haven't. So I had used the one off, which one was it? Scalloped contour dies, and it's used to do with it a minute. It's this one. So I cut all of that out, and here it is. And then I chopped the little bit off the edge. However, I will be chopping it a bit more because we don't want these bits on the side there. Now then, where did I get it? Oh dear me. Now right here. These bits here, they came from the Birds and More sprigs. This round one these two came from a different set that I've got, but I'm sure that, well, I'm positive, but I think the Stampin' Up do the same sort of ones. Right, so that I can put that out of the way. Don't throw that away because as you can see, there's plenty of scope left in that, so I'm going to put it in my spare bit drawer. Bucket. I've got a bucket on my table. Right, now then, first things first, I'm going to stamp agreed sentiments out, okay? Now, oh, this is not too bad. Yeah, you look sticky on me. We get a black. Right, it's always good to have a piece of scrap paper alongside you. I have stamped this before, but I just need to check it. Because these are red rubber, right, I don't need to use my mat underneath them, so that's fine. Right, and this ink I'm using is Finesse. I'm usually using the Memento black, but I think I need to re-ink it. So here we are. Right, dear friend, I'm going to put on here like that. Just leave it there for a little bit so that the ink can soak into the card. Ta-da! And I should put that over the side to wash later on. Right, now then I come back to this. Oh no, Wendy, whoa. I'm getting too excited now, aren't I? So calm down, woman. I'm going to put this one first because this seems to be the one I can base all the others on. There. Oops, I put a bit too much. With this Tombow glue, you don't need a lot of it. You don't need that much. My granddaughter tells me, Wendy, look at all that you use. You don't need that much. So she does tell me off for using too much glue. But I do try. Right. There's those. Now what I forgot to tell you, this paper is from a new suite that's in our new annual catalogue. It's a peach, it's called, and there's dies and stamps and everything to go with it. Now then, I want this to go there about Yeah, there. So I'm going to chop this end off, but I'm going to chop it so that it comes in the middle of that, hopefully, because I don't want to, sorry about that, there, like that. Now I could measure it again, and it needs to come about there, I think. You see, it looks just like the bit in the drawing. Right, that can go across there, so I'll do him down now. I'll try and get my print sorted, or I'll go down to my neighbour's and get it printed off down there. Get a big pile of them. Well, I did have a pile, didn't I? I had quite a few of them, but I don't know where they've all gone, because things have been moving. Well, I've been moving things about, not things haven't been moving about on their own. Right, so now then we've got the dear friend. We put the dear friend. My chair moving. Oh, we put the dear friend now in the middle of the circle. And with the circle, it doesn't matter if you get it slightly off centre, because you can turn it round, can't you? So don't worry about that. Just try and get it as close to the middle and as even as possible. Right, now before I put this piece on, I need to arrange these two. Now I know these are too long at the moment, so it's going to go down there. One goes down there, okay, and one goes up here. So I'm going to cut the bottom of this off. Cut the bottom of that. Don't you dare go in there. Because I don't want it going too far up, if you know what I mean. Now that looks a bit tighter, doesn't it? And I'll do the same with this one. Where did I cut it? There, I think. Oh no, I don't know where I cut it now. No. I'll cut it there. Like that. So, because my circle's going on top, I'm just going to put a little dab of glue on there, just to hold it for now until I get the top bit on. Just a little bit, just to keep it down while I'm shabbering along here. One there. Do the same with this one. Just a little bit. That goes down there. I hope you can see this. Yes, good. Right, then, now you see where I cut that off, I've got a perfectly good working sprig to use again. Right, so I'm going to put my dimensionals on here, which I have got in my hands. I don't usually have them that good, do I? Not usually that organised. I know, this might be the first time you've seen me doing a tutorial, but I use these dimensionals on anything, well, anything that needs to be lifted up and gives the card another dimension. But also, they're useful if you're posting them. And if you're posting them, then those dimensionals stop the whole thing going down. Right, so where's that one? Oh, I forgot. No, I have never put that on there. Right, so I'm going to place this now round about there. And here we are. That's today's Case of Monday card. I hope you have a go and do one yourself. I'm just wondering, I could do with a few other bits and pieces. Oh, right, I just saw a mark on here, so I'm going to have to put some peels on there. Yes, it is easier if I use my fingers. Yeah. Why did I have to go and say that? Now it's sticking to me now. I'll put one there. So there we are, nice little cards. I should put a photograph of it up along to the sides of the case, the sketch. Oh dear me. Oh well, here we are. I hope you enjoy it, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment, and try if you can possibly subscribe to me as well, please. I'm every 100 subscribers, I do a giveaway. So thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.